रम्य संस्कृतम संख्या विशेषणानि 1 संवादम इमं पठत रीड दिस कन्वर्सेशन ग्रीष्मावकाशे मीन्स इन समर वैकेशन दोहित्र्याः ग्रैंडसन्स दोहित्र्यः and granddaughters च मातामह्या सह केवलं संस्कृतेन वार्तालापं कुर्वन्ति. मातामह्या सह means with grandmother. केवलं means only. संस्कृतेन means only in Sanskrit language. वार्तालापं कुर्वन्ति. वार्तालापं mean speak or converse. In summer vacations, grandsons and granddaughters speak with grandmother only in Sanskrit language. मातामही तेभ्यः संस्कृतभाषायाः विशेषान् कथयति. Grandmother tells them the speciality of Sanskrit language. मातामही वदति. मातामही said means grandmother said अस्माकं बाल्यकाले दूरदर्शने एकात्मतायाः एकं गीतम् आसीत्. बाल्यकाले means in childhood. अस्माकं बाल्यकाले means our childhood. एकात्मतायाः means unity. In our childhood, there was a song about unity on television. दूरदर्शने means on television. तत् गायामः. We shall sing एका चटका. One sparrow. अनेकाः चटका. Many sparrow. धान्यम् अत्तुम् आयाताः चटका. Sparrow are coming to eat grain. सुधेन्दु वदति. सुधेन्दु said मातामही गतसमये त्वया चतुरस्य काकस्य कथागीतं श्रावितुम्. Oh grandmother, last year or last गतसमये means last time. चतुरस्य काकस्य means of clever crow. Kathageetam. Kathageetam means musical story or story song. Shravitum means listen. Oh grandmother, last time you made us listen to a musical story or story song of a clever crow. Ekah kakah. तृष्णा पीडितः means thirsty. One thirsty crow जलं न लभते दूरे दूरे does not get water though he search far away. दूरे दूरे means far away. तत्र एकः काकः इति उक्तं. There you said एकः काकः. अधुना अत्र एका चटका इति वदसि. Now you are saying here eka chataka. पृथा आम. तथा च एकं गीतम इत्यपि उक्तम. Yes, and in this same way you had said एकं गीतम. तर्हि किमर्थम् अत्र एकः एकम् इति भेदः? Then why is the difference here? एकः एकं. वेणुः चिन्तयित्वा. वेणु थिंकिंग मया ज्ञातम्. I got it. यथा एकः बालकः एका बाला एकं वनं. मातामही बहु सम्यक् वेणोः. ग्रैंडमदर सेड वेल डन वेणु. सुधेन्दु वदति. सुधेन्दु सेड तर्हि एकः चषकः एका लेखनी एकं फेनकम् अपि योग्यमेतत्. देन् एकचषकः एका लेखनी ekam fenakam. Is it correct? Matamahi badam. Grandmother said, very good. Samyak avagatam tvaya. You understood it very well. Itopi ekam anglabalgitam yuyam gayat sma. You used to sing one more English song. Api smaratah. Do you remember? Student, you observe these sentences. Eka chashakah. Chashaka is a pullingam. Prathama ekavachanam. So use ekah. Eka lekhani. Lekhani is a Srilingam like Nadi. Prathama ekvachanam. So use eka. Ekam fenakam. Fenakam means soap. Fenakam is a Napusakalingam. Prathama ekavachanam. So use ekam. Continue. Dvau lagu hastau talika vadanaya. Two little hands for clapping. Dvau lagu padau gamana agamanaya. Two little feet to come and go. Dve lagunetri navudarshanaaya. Two little eyes to look at the sky. Prutha matamahi avagatam maya. Prutha said, O grandmother, I have understood. Tatha cha dvau dve etayoh bhedo abhinyatah. And I have understood the difference between dvau and dve. Yatha dvau purusho dvau deepo. Like dvau purusho. Dvau deepo means two mans, two lamps. Venuhu vadati. Venu said, dve phale dve udyane. Student, dve phale and dve udyane is a Napusakalingam. Sudhendu vadati. How to say Mahila dvayam and Droni dvayam? Mahila dvayam means two romans and Droni dvayam means two buckets. Mata mahi vadati. Mata mahi. Grandmother said, dve mahile dve dronyau va. Dve mahile and dve dronyau. Idani maham sankhya shunkalam vadami. Now I will tell you the numerical chain. Kathayaki method. Tell me what is it? Trayah, Tisrah, Trini. Traya is a pullingam. Tisra is a Srilingam. And Trini is a Napusakalingam. Chatvarah, Chatasrah, Chatvari. Chatvara is a pullingam. Chatasra is a Srilingam. And Chatvari is a Napusakalingam. Sudhendu vadati. Sudhendu said, Hasitva, smiling. Maya eva avagatam. I have understood. Trayah rukshaha. Tisra makshikaha. And Trini falani. Prutha tishtare. Wait, agri aham vadami. I will tell further. Chatvarah munayah. Chatasrah denava. Chatvari vahanani. Mata mahi sushobhanam. Very good. Chanakshaha yuyam. You are clever. Venuhu vadati. Venu said, Idha param vayam ekatah chatura paryantam sankhya rupani pathamah. Now we will read the numerical form from 1 to 4. Mata mahi sadhu sadhu. Grandmother said, good, good. Student, what is the Sankhya Visheshanani? In Sanskrit language, numbers are used as adjectives, means Visheshan, that is called Sankhya Visheshanani. Sankhya Visheshanani means numeral adjectives. Student, in Visheshan Vistar, we learn relation between adjective means Visheshan and Visheshya. What is the rule? The gender, number and case means Linga, Vachanam and Vibhakti of the noun in the same as the gender, number and case of the Visheshanam means adjectives. This rule is same for Sankhya Visheshanani. Student, in this lesson, a grandmother is explaining how the forms of numerical adjectives change according to the gender, number and case of the Vishesha. Student, there are 3 types of numerical adjectives. First is Sankhya-vachak means cardinals. Second is Krama-vachak means ordinals. And third is Avrutti-vachak means frequentative. Student, in this year we will see Sankhya-vachak. Student, numerical adjectives means in Sankhya-vachak Visheshanam from 1 to 4 vary as per the genders. The word ek is always used in singular. It is never used in dual. The form naike means na eke is also used to convey the meaning of not many. Since the word ek is a pronoun, it is declined as the pronoun sarva. Ek nityam ekavachana means ek always remains singular. Pullinga, Strilinga, Napusakalinga and Vibhakti. Ekah is a Pullingam, Eka is a Strilingam and Ekam is a Napusakalingam. Ekah, Eka, Ekam, Prathama. Ekam, 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 Dvitiya. Ekena, Ekaya, Ekena, Trutiya. Ekasmai, Ekasyai, Ekasmai, Chaturthi. Ekasmat, Ekasyaha, Ekasmat, Panchami. Ekasya, Ekasyaha, Ekasya, Shashti. Ekasmin, Ekasyam, Ekasmin, Saptami. Student, we saw Ekah use only Ekavachanam. Dvi, Nityam, Dvivachanam means Dvi is always used in dual. Pullingam, Strilingam and Napusakalingam. Dvau, Dve, Dve, Prathama. Dvau, Dve, Dve, Dvitiya. Dvabhyam, 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 Trutiya. Dvabhyam, 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 Chaturthi. Dvabhyam, 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 Panchami. Dvayoho, 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 Shashti. Dvayoho, 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 Saptami. 3 Nityam Bahuvachanam means form of 3 and Chatur means 4 are different in different gender. 3 Nityam Bahuvachanam. 3 always is always used in plural. Pullingam, Strilingam, Napusakalingam, Vibhakti. Trayah, Tisrah, Trini, Prathama. Trin, Tisrah, Trini, Dvitiya. Tribihi, Tisrubihi, Tribihi, Trutiya. Tribhyah, Tisrubhyah, Tribhyah, Chaturthi. Tribhyah, Tisrubhyah, Tribhyah, Panchami. Trayanam, Tisrunam, Trayanam, Shashti. Trishu, Titisruhu, Trishu, Saptami. Chatura, Nitya Bahuvachanam. Chatura is always used in plural. Pullingam, Strilingam, Napusakalingam, Vibhakti. Chatvarah, Chatasrah, Chatvari, Prathama. Chaturah, Chatasrah, Chatvari, Dvitiya. Chaturbihi, Chatasrubihi, Chaturbihi, Trutiya. Chaturbhyah, Chatasrubhyah, Chaturbhyah, Panchami. Chaturnam, Chatasrusram, Chatasrunam, Chaturnam, Shashti. Chaturshuhu, Chaturshu, Chatasrushu, Chaturshu, Saptami. Ramya Sanskrutam संख्याविशेषणानि 2. संवादम इमं पठत. Read the following conversation. Student, last videos we saw 1 to 4 संख्या विशेषणानि. Let's continue. मातामही वदति. Grandmother said. एकतः चतुरपर्यन्तं संख्यारूपाणि अधीतानि खलु. You all have learned the numerical form from 1 to 4, right? पंचतः तु संख्यारूपेषु न लिङ्गभेदः. There is no difference in the gender of the numbers 5 onwards. Student, last 3 videos we saw the लिङ्गभेदः in 1 to 4, but there is no difference of the gender of numbers 5. ताः यथावत् प्रोक्तव्याः. They are to be used just as they are. वेणुः वदति. Venu said, ज्ञातम्, understood. तर्हि पञ्च आसन्दाः पंच अंकन्यः पंच भवनानि वा. Student, 5 is always used in plural and no differences in the gender of the number 5. Student, आसन्दाः is a पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनम, but पंच अंकन्यः, अंकन्य is a स्त्रीलिंगम. भवनानि is a नपुंसकलिंगम, but word पंच is same. सुधेन्दु वदति. सुधेन्दु said. तथा च सप्तबटवः, and in the same way सप्तबटवः, सप्तरजवः, सप्तैव च दिनानि. बटवः is a पुल्लिंगम, रजवः is a स्त्रीलिंगम, and dinani is a नपुंसकलिंगम, but सप्त words is common. पृथा वदति. पृथा said. इतोपि अष्टतारकाः अष्टमुनयः अष्टवसूनि. Moreover it is अष्टतारकाः. तारका is a स्त्रीलिंगम, मुनयः is a पुल्लिंगम, and vasuni is a नपुंसकलिंगम, but word अष्ट is same. मातामही उत्तमं. काचन संख्या प्रसिद्धाः. Grandmother said good. Some numbers are famous like यथा नवरात्रयः, नवरात्र. वेणु च पृथा च. वेणु and पृथा said सप्त ऋषयः, दश आननानि, अष्टलक्ष्म्यः, त्रीणि भुवनानि, नवरत्नानि वा. मातामही पर्याप्तम्. ग्रैंडमा इनफ. अहम् अधुना कूटप्रश्नं वदामि. नाउ I ask you a puzzle. भीः भ्यः भ्यः आनं सु. किमेतत्? भीः भः भ्यः आनं सु. What is it? सुधेन्दु वदति. सुधेन्दु said. उच्चैः हसित्वा, laughing aloud. न एष कूटप्रश्नः. It is not a puzzle. एते तु विभक्ति प्रत्ययाः. These are indeed the विभक्ति प्रत्यय. गतवर्षे अहं पठितवान्, सम्यक् स्मरामि अधुना अपि. I had learned them last year. I remember them even today. वेणुः वदति. वेणु said. ओहो सुधेन्दु, सत्यमेव तीक्ष्णा जाता तव बुद्धिः. सुधेन्दु, your intelligence has becomes very sharp. तर्हि एते संख्या प्रत्ययाः तृतीयातः सप्तमी पर्यन्तम्. So these are the pratyay for numerals for Tritiya to Saptami Vibhakti. Prutha vadati. Prutha said, Yatha. For example, Pancha, Pancha, Panchabhihi, Panchabhyah, Panchabhyah, Panchanam, Panchasu. Pancha and Pancha Prathama Dvitiya, Panchabhihi Tritiya, Panchabhyah Chaturthi, Panchabhyah Panchami Vibhakti, Panchanam Shashti Vibhakti, and Panchasu is a Saptami Vibhakti. Panchamatah Navadasha Paryanta Rupani Pancha Sankhya Iva Bhavati. Satyam Khalu. The form of numbers from 5 to 9 are formed like the number 5. Isn't it true? Mata Mahi vadati. Mata Mahi means grandmother said, is Ativa Mudita Asmi. I am very happy. Yuyam Sarve Sanskrit Patavah. You all are Sanskrit expert. Itah Param Sanskrit Bhashaya Khelitum Samartaha. Henceforth, you can play in Sanskrit language. Sudendu Tattu Tvayasa Sambhashanena Kinchit Vyakarnabhyasena Cha. That is because the conversing with you in Sanskrit and little study of Sanskrit grammar. Venuhu vadati sankhya rupani samyak aditya sambhashane sankhanam adhika prayoga kurmah. Venu said, now that we have understand the form of numbers, well, we can use the number more frequently. Prutha vadati. Prutha said, agrime avakashe anyan sankhya visheshan jnatum agachamah. In the next vacation, we shall come to learn more specialities of number. Numerical adjectives from 1 to 4 vary as per the gender, but from the number 5 onwards they are similar in all the three genders. Forms of numerical adjective in different cases are given. Sankhya Rupani. Nitya Bahuvachanam. Shash, Shada, Shada, Ashtan, Ashta, Ashtav, Navan, Nava, Vibhaktihi Prathama. Shash, Ashtan, Navan, Vibhaktihi. Shat, Shada, Ashta, Ashtav, Nava, Prathama. Shat, Shada, Ashta, Ashtav, Nava, Dvitiya. Shadbihi, Ashtabihi, Ashtabihi, Navabihi, Tritiya. Shadabhyah, Ashtabhyah, Ashtabhyah, Navabhyah, Chaturthi. Shadabhyah, Ashtabhyah, Ashtabhyah, Navabhyah, Panchami. Shannam, Ashtanam, Navanam, Shashti. Shatsu, Shatsu, Ashtasu, Ashtasu, Navasu, Saptami. This is similar in all three genders, means Pullingam, Srilingam and Napusakalingam. Student, this is the last lecture of Sankhya Visheshanani. I will stop here. By heart, all tables. Page number 44. Ek, Dvi, Tri and Chatur, and page number 47.